Hello! The airspace architecture study proposed breaking down the existing vertical silos to allow horizontal integration within three operational layers, leading to a more resilient, scalable, and sustainable air traffic management, referred to as the Digital European Sky. Digitalization can lead to substantial benefits. The cost of ATM could have been 30% cheaper whilst delivering sufficient capacity and flexibility to minimize delays and the environmental impact of flying. Rationalization and harmonization benefits can be achieved in all the layers. However, the greatest benefits come from harmonizing ATS provision through collaboration in the ATS layer. This requires new ways of thinking, national ATSPs with sovereign responsibility building international collaborations across the network. To find out more, join us at the Engage workshop on 21st of June. For full program details, visit the Engage website.